Hey, Cook-Caller, Chef Kendra here, and today we are making the easiest croutons you ever made. We're making them in the microwave, so let's do what we do and make it happen. These super easy croutons is only going to take melted butter, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and some bread. I'm just going to brush each piece of bread with butter. You also can use olive oil. Yo, you can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Now that we added the butter on both sides, I'm going to sprinkle some garlic powder on each piece. And a little of Italian seasoning. Everybody has that in their pantry, don't they? You don't? You should get some. Now once that's done, I'm going to take the bread and cut it into about 1-inch slices. Crouton size slices, yo. I have a plate here, I'm putting them on. And make sure the plate you use is microwavable. And you know what else, guys? We want them in a single layer. Okay, guys, what we have here is our bread. It's Italian bread. There's 4 slices that we brushed with melted butter, and we added a sprinkling of Italian seasoning and some garlic powder. We put it on one layer on this microwavable plate, microwave safe plate. Now we're going to microwave this for 4 minutes. It might take a little longer than 4 minutes, might take a little less than 4 minutes. You want to keep an eye on it. You want it on full power. What are you looking for? You're looking for things to start to turn brown slightly. Now listen, when it starts to turn brown, pull it out. It will continue to crisp up outside of the microwave. Okay, here they are. Hear that crunch? Crunchy and very good. They're ready for your salad. Yo, share my videos, and if you haven't already, subscribe. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.